The Karnataka High Court recently began hearing Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's appeal against an earlier order that allowed an investigation into his alleged involvement in the MUDA Mysore Urban Development Authority land denotification scam. The case has stirred significant political and constitutional debate. In court, senior advocate Abhishek Manu Singhvi, representing Siddaramaiah, argued that the governor's approval for the investigation was flawed, citing the Prevention of Corruption Act's requirement for prior approval from the competent authority. He also questioned whether the governor's actions met legal standards, stressing the state cabinet's role. Kapil Sibal, another lawyer for the state, highlighting the constitutional importance of the case, asserting that the governor's decision must align with legal exceptions, emphasizing that it was a matter of protecting constitutional principles, not personal politics. On the other side, senior advocate Dushyant Dave, representing Devaraju, who is the original landowner in the case, argued that his client, an 80 years old farmer, was being unfairly implicated without a chance to defend himself. He said he was not involved in politics and only sought protection from baseless legal action. Senior advocate K.G. Raghavan, representing complainant Sneha Mai Krishna, opposed the appeal, arguing that the single judge's order was merely a notice and did not warrant intervention by a higher bench. The bench, led by Chief Justice N.V. Anjaria, maintained a neutral stance, clarifying it would not comment on the merits at this stage. The case has been adjourned to January 20th, 2025, with notices issued to all parties involved. The Chief Justice assured that all related matters would be heard together to ensure fairness. The case centers on allegations that land denotification during Siddaramaiah's tenure benefited certain individuals improperly. Siddaramaiah's defense claims the denotification was lawful and that the investigation was politically motivated.